Morning, YouTube friends and family. Welcome to Thursday. Jeudi? Is that right? Samedi. No. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. Jeudi. Yeah. C'est jeudi. I have decided not to go to work today and I'm going to stay home, do a little bit more snow clearing. We have a large snowstorm coming. You wouldn't know it at this moment. School has been canceled for all the kids. They're calling for 8 to 12 inches of snow in the next 12 hours. So it's going to be snowing hard and fast when it comes. It just hasn't hit yet. Thanks for coming with me on my day. And I'll see you around. I don't know what's going to happen today. Oh, I left my car light on all night. That's not good. All right, I'm out the door. I got an impromptu appointment to have the oil leak fixed in my car. I'm heading to Augusta now to have that work done. There's a couple other things I think I needed to do when I was in Augusta. It'll come to me when I get there. You know, it's finally starting to snow. School was just outright canceled today. The snow didn't even really start until 11:30. They easily could have gone to school for at least a half a day, maybe even gotten in the whole day. But, you know, the superintendent is trusting the weather forecast of the moment, you know. We get a call at 5 a.m., so they're looking at a forecast that probably came from 4 a.m., and that's what it looked like then. This is the second day the kids have had off in a row. Yesterday they had off. On Tuesday it was early release because of snow. It's crazy. All right, in the car, here I go. get a guess there, buddy.
Okay.
Ready?
Set, go.
This is a
Stone.
Honk.
this is a type
Honk.
of liquid that you
Urine.
consume, and
Milk.
you and I cannot have it because we're too young.
Alcohol. Champagne.
It's made from wine, but it's
Champagne.
stronger.
Rum.
It's
Is it like that?
the Dursleys' aunt feeds it to their her dog.
Champagne.
No, it's brown.
Whiskey.
I think. They feed Aunt Marge feeds it to her dog.
Whiskey.
She's like a
Rum.
little drop of blank for a doggy, a little
Wine.
drop of for
Whiskey.
your. No, it was brandy.
Oh, yeah. Ready, set, go.
The Flash is this.
A superhero.
His superpower is.
Speed. Super speed.
What's a
Fast.
pest? What's another word for that?
Sped. Fast. Running.
What's another word?
Running.
For-
Speed. Quick.
Yeah.
Bingo.
And it was a bank blank. Or they took this thing from a museum, and it was a museum thing blank.
Expensive blank?
We might.
What's another name for a
Burglar.
taking this?
Steal. Rob.
5,
Rob.
4.
What? Try. Try more. Try more. Do it now.
1.
It was heist.
I thought it might be heist.
Did you know that word of it?